Hey folks, welcome to my channel. It's Vageline here, your favorite wig influencer. And in today's video, we are actually getting my hair prepped and primped to try on this U-part wig that I purchased off of wigtypes.com. In my last video, I'm guessing this is kind of sort of a part 2, but in my last video, I talked about my natural hair journey, how I'm losing my hair. I'll go about putting a link up above for that video. Also, the video before that, 2 videos in, I have a giveaway that I'm doing. Once I hit 2,000 subscribers, which I think I just hit, but once I hit 2,000 subscribers, then I will be gifting a synthetic wig as well as a muumuu that I had on in that video. So please make sure to go watch those 2 videos. And yeah, so right now I'm literally just prepping my hair for this U-part wig that ended up turning into a fail, but watch to the end so you can see what happened. Alright, I'm gonna just continue to fast forward and you can watch me put this all the way together. Alright. Alright, now that we got this braid pattern down, I'm gonna warm up my hot iron. I haven't done this in like forever, and the way I really don't want to put heat to my hair, I mean I just blow dried my hair, but the way I don't want to put this heat to my hair, because baby, flashback. Go ahead and open this up together. Again, this is Nutique BFF U-part Monique in the color number 2. I kind of wish she had like gray undertones, because then I wouldn't have to try to cover my hair up with this Root Magic cover up. And I think I got this in the color dark brown, so probably should have did it black, but we're here now. So it is what it is. This is what the start card is giving. Do I got my scissors on here? Let's open her up and take out all this fluff. Ooh, she is giving off yucky blowout. She a little bit. She's not that shiny. She's not that shiny. She's actually cute. Inside of her cap, she comes with the 2 combs, right in the nape area and 1 in the back. There's no extra comb. Oh, and then 1 comb back here for, I guess, this part. Beadable mesh cap. I'm hoping this fits my dome. Now, the best thing about U-part wigs is, baby, at night you can take her off, braid this little part right here, or in the morning, wake up, style it, and go. Let's try and see what this is looking like. God. Okay, so here's my hesitation, because I know y'all like, wait, I'm getting older. I'm starting to realize that a lot of these things, hair-wise, irritates me. I don't know if it's because, like, when I was younger, my mom used to always tell me, if you want to look beautiful, you gotta suffer. You want to look beautiful, you gotta suffer. I don't want to suffer. I don't care if I go outside looking like this nowadays. And that's a problem, which I'm trying to change. But mentally, I also have to change. If you want to look beautiful, you have to suffer type of thing. Because, not to say your natural hair is not beautiful, but it takes work. And that's where the suffering part comes in. All these things, whether you turn into your natural hair, whether you turn into your wig, human or synthetic. It takes work. And y'all know I'm lazy. So yeah, that's that. Alright, so let's try this on. Ooh, wait, hold on. I gotta. Hold on. Okay. You know what? It's really been a long time since I've done one of these. So I don't even know how to put them on properly. Okay, I got the comb in the back end. I got the comb on the sides in. Now, you could, ooh, on. She's very nice. Oh. Go ahead with your bad self, Miss Nutique. I like her.
I want that one. I want yours one.
You want that? Okay, so first of all, she is very big head friendly. I feel like in the back, she's not really on too much. And I might have to tighten her up a little bit back there.
Mommy,
just
I want your wig, Mom.
I wanted, thank you, baby.
Mom, I want your wig.
You don't need a wig. You have your own beautiful hair. Mommy's only wearing a wig because her hair's falling out. But you have nice hair. You don't need a wig. You understand me? Bam. Bam. Tighten that up. Okay, that feels a lot better. Okay, take this part. Whoa! What the hell? What the hell? What the hell you gonna take? Hold on. Ooh, that hurt. Jesus. Okay, take this part. And put it like that. Okay, that's better. That's better. Snap. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I might have to buy me another one. I want one that looks a lot more natural. Ooh, that might look nicer too. Some kinky, curly, curly, curly. Give me that real textured wig. Okay. She is on. She is doing her thizzle. She is looking right and tight. I think anyway. Let me turn around so you can see what she looks like in the back. She's not humpy either, so okay. Just gonna have to deal with this stuff in the front, and that's it. Right? Right. Okay. 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 We here. Before I do this, should I spray my hair? You know what? I'm gonna do this first. I'm gonna do this part first. I haven't used the hot comb. The hesitation. I haven't used the hot comb in forever. I should have braided my hair over here and made an anchor like braid right here to stick this into, but we're here now. I should have maybe not even have any leave out. I don't even know. Child. Okay, here we go. After I don't even know how many years of not pressing my hair, here we are. Ooh, this hurts. Trying to get the ends to look a little bit better, so at least the top might work out. I don't know. I don't like the way this looks. Booty, 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 booty. She don't look okay. Oh, okay. She don't look bad now. Hold on now. Looking a little bit. Ooh, see how I'm... Girl, you can see I'm balding, child. See what I'm saying? Trying to. You can see that. Okay. The things we do for content. I am frying the hell out of my hair right now. The things we do for content. Content, content. One thing about me though, I do a big chop quick, fast, in the hurry. Okay. Now, let's see. Was this given? This will make it, you know, do the final, what it need to give, how it need to give when it's given. Oh, I'm so scared. Let me get a nap. Alright, so shaking this can up, spraying it on some paper. Let's do it on my ends here first. Did I just fucking spray my eye? Yo. What in the world? I'm gonna leave some of that color in there. Ooh, okay. Now let's try the grays. I'm gonna let it dry and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all. Oof, I don't like the way it feels though. It looks good. I just don't like the way it feels. I'm off. From afar though, she looking like she eating. And it was a good thing that I did this after I pressed her in. I feel like my hand needs to be a little bit pressed some more. Alright, what I will say, she is definitely a nice wig. But this Florida heat, look at it. Already messed that up, as you can see. But she's cute. Heading to the library with the kids because I totally forgot I was supposed to take them to the library. Okay, better lighting. As you can see, that Florida heat done fried. Whatever I pressed is already gone. Bald spot is balding. And yeah, she's still cute though. I think what I'm going to try to do, so I'm going to try to do the method with no leave outs and see how that looks. But this one is a fail, folks, but that's my fault. Yeah. So the next move is to actually find a wig in my hair texture and not have to do all the pressing and dyeing and all that other stuff. And the only reason why I'm whispering is because I'm in the library. But yeah, that's going to be the next move. Other than that, if my hair was permed, this would look super duper cute. But it's not permed, so this is what it's giving. Well, listen, since you watched this video all the way through and saw that I failed miserably, whatever, make sure you like and comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll try to do better next time with another wig. See y'all later.